Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Samsung Jet 75 cordless stick vacuum. Here are its features. Easily empty dustbin, auto empty dustbin. Empty the dust from your Jet cordless vacuum by simply placing the dustbin on top of the clean station for an automatic emptying process. Designed to clean the difficult places, lightweight design. The 6-pound, lightweight design makes cleaning easy. Maneuver to vacuum stairs, under sofas and all the hard-to-reach places. Also, with a 180-degree swivel head, allowing the vacuum to change direction effortlessly. Breathe cleaner air in your home. 5-layer filtration system. Captures pet dander, pollen and other non-living allergens for cleaner air in your home. The filter system picks up large clumps of dust, captures fine dust and traps 99.999% of microdust. Collects more dust, dirt and debris. High-capacity dustbin. 0.8-liter, high-capacity dustbin collects more dirt, dust and debris, so you don't have to empty it as often. Dishwasher safe, makes cleaning it a snap. Up to 60 minutes, no recharge needed. Removable battery. Conveniently remove battery for flexible charging and swap for a spare. Vacuum for up to 60 minutes without needing to recharge and giving up to 120 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. Exceptional cleaning for all types of surfaces, more advanced cleaning performance. Cleans hardwood, tile and carpeting with intense suction power up to 200 Ah. The air system optimizes airflow, while its multi-cyclonic air filtration instantly traps dust particles. Cleans itself while it cleans your home. Clog-reducing technology. Clog-reducing Jet CYCLONE technology provides consistent, powerful suction to keep dirt and debris from building up on the filter. More effective cleaning. Digital inverter motor. The energy-efficient motor is designed for high performance while maximizing battery power. Easily check your vacuum with a glance. Digital display. With just a glance, check notifications on your vacuum, including the power level and brush type, and monitor alerts such as airflow issues, clogs, missing filter and more. Dust, meet your match. Easily clean debris from any surface with included accessories. Jet cordless stick vacuums handle hardwood, tile, and carpeting with intense, uninterrupted suction power. Mini motorized tool. Reduce non-living allergens with this handy tool. Hygienically remove fine dust and pet hair on furniture, rugs and more. Fits easily into tight spaces. Long reach crevice tool. Reaches tight corners, crevices and other awkward areas in your home, such as under a bed or the top of the fridge. Picks up dust and dirt quickly. Combination tool. This combination dusting and upholstery tool picks up dirt on furniture gently yet effectively and works on window frames and tabletops. This versatile tool is also an easy way to get to those hard-to-reach places when vacuuming your car. Soft brush. Anti-static, silver thread woven, soft brush roller is perfect for picking up fine dust on hardwood floors and in small places. Choose where you charge. Flexible charging. Mount the vacuum on the wall or inside a closet to maximize space. Or simply use it as a standalone charger, so you can remove the battery and charge it anywhere. Accessorize your clean. Explore additional accessories and attachments for your Jet Stick cordless vacuum. Specifications. Brand: Samsung. Form factor: stick. Model name: Jet 75 stick vacuum. Cordless lightweight vacuum cleaner with removable surface. Recommendation: hard floor. Special feature: removable battery. Cordless. Battery life: on minimum power level 60 minutes. Performance: air watts 200. Accessories: 3. Docking and charging. Wall mounted or desktop. Pipe type: fixed. Replaceable battery: yes. Brushes: Turbo Plus, Soft Plus, Mini. What's in the box? Vacuum with turbo brush, combo brush, mini powered brush, soft action brush, reach, crevice tool, flex tool, battery.